Alright guys, so I was stuck behind so much traffic. People drive like turtles over here, but I'm over here and it's a pretty nice scenic view. I gotta watch out because they have these cameras over here where if you don't stop at the correct stop area, you could get a ticket. It's like a $800 ticket or something. But the thing though is that they're strategically placed in a way where you will get a ticket because just the way they're mounted, they play mind games. So always got to worry about up here in the Santa Monica Hills and all these places. But yeah, so here's the car. Did pretty good. Freaking dope. Oh yeah. Let me see what place is this. Nice ass view. This is welcome to Santa Monica Mountains, Topanga Overlook. But yeah, so that's where I'm at right there. And I actually got a ticket there before because basically they put the stop sign before the intersection. So in order to actually go into your out and exit, you have to reach the end of the street, yield for cyclists and other cars to finally go out. But the stop sign is over here, so people will just naturally kind of coast it through the stop sign, then go to the actual stop. And when you coast through there, that's where they get you. Instead of putting the stop sign here, they put it here. And it's BS. But yeah, so that's just a little rant because I see them right here, all these cameras, and it's pretty funny because they camouflage them, so you just get a nice ass little ticket of $1,000 or $500 sometimes. Yeah, I'm already heading down. She is right there. So about to take off right now, and yeah, hopefully I don't get a ticket. But yeah, we gotta see. that's gonna conclude the little ride. There's a car right there. Looks so sweet. It's a beautiful ass day today. Car is running super nice right now. A lot of power. Well, up top, but low end, like in the lower RPMs, it kind of struggles with the bolt-ons that it has. But yeah, but she likes to rev and breathe. And you could also see the paint right here where it kind of like, yeah, right there where it's just a different shade. Looks pretty bad, but yeah. All right guys, so that's gonna be the little video. If you guys want to see more, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.